Hello and welcome to another episode of Anything But Authentic, where I make crazy unique food that is anything but authentic. It's St. Patty's Day, and one of the recipes that I know almost everyone wants to make for St. Patty's Day is cottage or shepherd's pie. And I'm not here to give you a recipe for cottage pie or shepherd's pie, but I'm here to show you what to make with the leftovers. So today we're gonna be making leftover cottage pie boxty. Now in case you don't know what a boxty is, it is an Irish potato pancake, and it can be made using leftover mashed potatoes, which is part of the cottage pie. So it's a no-brainer recipe. It is really delicious, it's super simple, and I really hope you guys like it. Let's get started. First, let's prep the potato. So for this recipe, even though we already have some mashed potatoes, we still want some grated potatoes on top. So what I have here is around 1 cup equivalent of potato, or around 225 grams if you want to be exact. And what you want to do is just peel it, and then grate it, and then using a kitchen towel, drain out all the liquid as much as you can. Then, in a medium bowl, you want to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Give the dry mixture a little mix, then add in 1 cup of the leftover mashed potatoes from the cottage pie, 1 cup of the drained grated potatoes, and 1 cup of buttermilk. By the way, if you don't have buttermilk or don't want to spend money to buy a whole jug of buttermilk, feel free to just combine 1 tablespoon of vinegar and around 1 cup of milk and let it sit for around 5 to 10 minutes and you'll get buttermilk. Then you want to mix until everything is well combined, and then we're ready to fry. To fry the boxty, it is super easy. What I have here is just a small pan that I'm heating on medium, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of butter and around 1 to 2 tablespoons of the batter. The amount depends on the size of the pancake that you want and the size of the pan that you have. Using a spoon, try your best to flatten the pancake out as much as possible. You want to cook around 4 to 6 minutes on each side, or it is browned on both sides. After the pancakes are all made, add a little bit of the cottage pie filling and a little bit more sour cream. And there you have it. I'm actually pretty hungry, so I'm just gonna dig right in. All right, ooh. You know what, I'm just gonna, there you go. Small piece with everything. Oh yeah. So good. My God. It is so good. The boxty is super fluffy and so good. And the topping and the leftover cottage pie filling definitely brought back that cottage pie flavor. And the sour cream and green onions just tied everything together. And it's so good. I so want to finish this right now. So I'm just gonna end this video real quick. Thank you for grubbing with me, Guber. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope to see you here next time on Anything But Authentic.